Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve NCERT Maths Class 7 Chapter 1 Integers Exercise 1.1 question number 6. So friends, without wasting any time, let's get started. This question says Rita goes 20 kilometers towards east from a point A to the point B. Now there is a girl Rita. She goes 20 kilometers from point A to point B in the east direction. Now from B she moves 30 kilometers towards west, so quite clear, and then along the same road she moves. If the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance travelled towards west? By which integer will you represent her final position from A? Now again there is a girl Rita and she starts moving from a point. Let us make this point A. It is named A and she moves 20 kilometers towards the east, right? So east is which side? This one, right? So 20 kilometers here, let us say this much, and this point where she stops in the east is known as point B. This is 20 kilometers. Now it is saying that from B point she moves 30 kilometers towards the west. So west is here. Now see, if she goes 30 kilometers here on the same road, right? So from here from B to A, already 20 kilometers covered. Now from A, how many kilometers west we have to go? 10 kilometers. 30 minus 20 is 10. So let us suppose this is our point where she met, and let us name this thing basically C. This is 10 kilometers. All right. So total from B to C is 30, but from A to C it is 10. Alright. Now it is saying that you can see that if the distance towards her east, that is basically here, that is this 20 kilometers, it is represented by a positive integer. So this is represented by a plus sign. Distance towards the east is represented by the plus sign. Then what will the distance towards the west be represented? That is with which sign will it be represented? So you can see that if C is here, if B is here and C is here, both are in opposite directions. B is in east, C is in west, totally opposite, right? Whenever it is opposite of something, I have told you, opposite of positive is negative. Alright, so for the eastern side we will use the negative integers to represent it. Now it is also saying that by which integer will you represent her final position from A? From A, not from B, from A. This is point A. Alright, and her final position is which point? C point, that is here. Alright, so we are not going to go from A to B to C. No, we go from A all the way to the C. That is the final position. This is 10 kilometers, right? You can write here kilometers. So this is 10 kilometers. So you can write here. Answer will be, first of all, we use the negative integer for answering the first question, and then for the change, that is by which integer will we represent her final position from point A, that will be minus 10. Okay, why am I using minus here? Because it is in the western side, and for western side we have used minus sign, and this is 10 kilometers. So minus 10, or you can write the unit as well, kilometers. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also leave a like on this video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.